We're taking a detailed look at the S6 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner to help you decide if it's worth your investment. Quiz time. Which mammal is known for its ability to glide? Choices: A. Sugar glider, B. Bat, C. Flying squirrel, D. Flying lemur. Let's see if you can guess the answer. Write it down in the comments and wait until the final reveal at the end of the video. The Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 Vacuum Mop, the cordless wonder that makes cleaning a breeze. Hello, savvy homeowners and cleanliness enthusiasts. If you've been on the hunt for a cleaning tool that revolutionizes your everyday chores, look no further. The Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 Vacuum Mop is an absolute game changer. This cordless wet-dry smart floor cleaner not only sweeps, but mops simultaneously, leaving your floors looking pristine and feeling squeaky clean. The Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 Vacuum Mop is a one-stop solution for all your floor cleaning needs. It's like having your little personal cleaning crew right in your hands. Hardwood, tiles, or vinyl, this vacuum mop is designed to handle them all with finesse. And it's not just about cleaning, it's about smart cleaning. First off, let's talk about the design. The 180-degree lay-flat vacuum mop feature is simply genius. Ever tried to clean under the bed or the sofa with a regular vacuum cleaner? It's about as easy as trying to thread a needle during an earthquake. But with the S6, you can slide it under low furniture with ease, thanks to its flexible design. It's like a limbo dancer, always ready to go low when others simply can't. Now, the S6 isn't just a pretty face. It also boasts a 40-min runtime self-cleaning vacuum feature. This means you can clean your entire home, yes, even the guest room you've been avoiding, on a single charge. And the self-cleaning feature? It's the cherry on top. Once you're done cleaning, simply place it on its dock, and it self-cleans, leaving you more time for that well-deserved cup of tea. One of the standout features of this cordless wet-dry smart floor cleaner is the dual-sided edge-cleaning lightweight mop. This means it cleans right up to the edges and into corners, leaving no space for dirt to hide. And because it's a lightweight mop, you can easily carry it around your home without feeling like you've been doing deadlifts at the gym. The S6 is also incredibly smart. It's got sensors that can detect the type of floor you're cleaning and adjust the water flow and suction accordingly. So whether you're cleaning up after a wild dinner party or just the everyday dust and grime, the S6 adapts and delivers optimal cleaning power. It's like it has a PhD in smart cleaning. Comparing the Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 Vacuum Mop to other products is like comparing a spaceship to a bicycle. Sure, a bicycle can get you from point A to B, but why settle when you can soar? This cordless wet-dry smart floor cleaner is packed with innovation, designed for convenience, and delivers a level of clean that's simply hard to beat. In summary, the Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 Vacuum Mop is a cordless wet-dry smart floor cleaner that combines the functions of a vacuum, a mop, and a floor sensor into one sleek, lightweight, and incredibly efficient machine. Its 180-degree lay-flat vacuum mop feature, 40-min runtime self-cleaning vacuum, and dual-sided edge-cleaning lightweight mop are all designed to make your cleaning tasks as quick, easy, and thorough as possible. So why not take the leap and revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 Vacuum Mop? You'll be left wondering how you ever managed without this cordless wonder. Happy cleaning! If the S6 cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner could speak, it'd probably say, "I got this." And honestly, I believe it. That's it for today's review of S6 cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it and subscribe for more content like this. For more details, check the link below. Did you get it? The answer is C, flying squirrel.